5 of history's biggest computer hacks. You would be wise to seek a degree that will enable you to become an expert in information security or general computer security if you are a student who wants to combine a career in security with your passion for computers. This line of work may need you to be on the front lines of safeguarding sensitive data for organizations, people, and different government agencies. You must be prepared to stay one step ahead of talented hackers and other programmers who are out to wreak havoc. Here are only a handful of the most significant computer breaches in recorded history. 1. Operation Shady Rat. It is believed that a computer programmer residing in the People's Republic of China is behind these ongoing cyber attacks, which originally started in 2006. This hacker, known for using remote access software that enables remote control of computers from anywhere in the globe, has been successful in stealing intellectual property from at least 70 public and commercial companies in 14 different nations. The International Olympic Committee, the World Anti-Doping Agency, several military contractors, multinational corporations, and the United Nations are among the victims. 2. Department of Defense hack. Those who want to work in security for the Department of Defense will undoubtedly face tough competition. Wannabe hackers often seek to breach its security system, and a Florida teen was able to penetrate the military's computer network back in 1999. Jonathan James was able to intercept highly confidential emails by inserting backdoor software into the Defense Threat Reduction Agency computer network. These included details on several significant issues, such as the International Space Station's life support code. 3. Melissa virus. The Melissa computer virus was developed in 1999 by a New Jersey programmer with too much free time on his hands. Melissa is maybe the first significant computer virus that let the general public know that their computers weren't always secure. David L. Smith delivered his malware to numerous unaware users while disguising it as a basic Microsoft Word software. Then it transmitted itself again to the top 50 contacts listed in the address book of every infected PC. Within a short period of time, Melissa had infected 20% of all computers on the planet, forcing major corporations like Intel and Microsoft to halt all outgoing mail services until the issue was resolved. 4. Comodo hack. The comforting security certificates that let you know you've reached a safe site are well known to anybody who uses a computer, but they aren't always what they appear. A hacker from Iran gained access to Comodo, a business that issues such certificates, in 2011. From there, the hacker was able to produce phony security certificates that made users think they were entering into Yahoo or Google. This made it possible for the hacker to eavesdrop on any emails received using these services and collect personal data. 5. PlayStation network hack. This specific attack proves unequivocally that security risks extend beyond simply computers. When a hacker gained access to the PlayStation network infrastructure in 2011, 77 million users' data and personal information were lost. The firm was forced to close for 20 days and suffered a loss of almost $171 million. Don't wait to get your degree if these hacking competitions seem like a task you'd like taking on. The United States Department of Labor reports that positions in this industry are in high demand and pay well.